Hi, kumusta? Nangita ba ka og side hustle to supplement your income pero dili ka sure kung asa or unsaon? Ako di ay si Mary Chu, a healthcare worker and a caregiver. And I'm a digital online business owner and a mentor from Michigan, USA. Originally, of course, from the Philippines, Bisaya. Before na ako na-discover ning a business, I was working 3 jobs. As a healthcare worker and a caregiver, I was always exhausted physically and mentally. Always ko work every day for a few years. With 3 jobs, it was impossible for me to be around with my family. So I decided to look around for something nga I can manage on my own time as my side hustle. Now I'm proud to say I'm glad and blessed nga I found this opportunity. Kay dako ang tabang nako to replace my 2 other job, and at the same time I'm enjoying my time with my family. Kani nga online business, bisan wala kay background sa business or any idea kung unsaon pagpadagan sa negosyo, kay ang system tudloan ta. Dunay step by step training, dunay unlimited coaching and mentoring. Coach and mentor, assign mo one-on-one. You will enjoy the flexibility about this business. Pasabot, run it anywhere you want, when you want. On your time, on your term, at home, aron at the same time, ma-enjoy nimo ang imong time freedom sa imong family. Dili ta mamaligya diri og mangdisturbo sa atong family and friends. Kay walay produkto nga atong ibaligya. Pwede part-time o full-time. Another benefit ani nga business, portable siya. Pasabot, if you like to travel, you always have access anywhere you go. Ang imo lang kinahanglan, cellphone and laptop. 90% automation ang gamit diri. Pasabot, bisan asa ka in the world, as long as you are connected and plugged in sa system, you will earn as you go. Proud ko kaayo diri kay nakatabang ko sa atong mga kababayan all over the world to mentor them and to set up sa ilang online business. Also to educate them nga there is another way of earning extra income while enjoying our time, your time with your family and friends. And that's what this business designed for. Kung nakarelate ka sa akong story, click lang nimo ang sign up or learn button to register your name and email address aron masend nako ang free link about sa business. Try lang nimo, who knows, basin makatabang sad ni sa imo to change your life and your family because it does to me. My goal here is to help achieve and educate others nga bisag wala tay experience sa business, as long as we are coachable and ready for change, we will be by your side and help you achieve your potential. So, I hope magkita-kita ta on the other side. Ang pag-register diri is free. Pasabot, wala pa ka nag-join sa business, imo lang i-check kung ang business para sa imo or dili. Click lang nimo ang learn more button or sign up button, onya register your name o ang imong email address aron masinako ang free information about sa business, and after it's all up to you to decide. Best of luck. Hopefully magkita-kita ta. Bye for now.